Hey folks, I found these things locally at dumpster diving and haven't turned them on yet. Let's have a look and see how they go. I mean, this is an old 4-banger printer, calculator, you know, one of the staples of the accounting industry, I'm sure, back in the day. Let's have a go and see if it works. It has a full roll. Probably the ink's fine. I don't see anything wrong with it physically. Probably just old and no use for it anymore. So let's see. Plug it in. And on. No, that's the print. Where's the on button? Oh, here. Okay, here we go. Now, if I could remember correctly, the way these worked is you punch in the number, hit plus, 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 and then when you're done, you hit equal. So let's see. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, 6 plus, 7 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus. And then you hit equal. I guess it goes into memory. Okay, how do I print this thing? Oh, print on. Now it's going to do everything. Let's clear. Okay, how do I clear memory? Memory equals. No. Okay, I see nothing on here, so it could be that there is a problem with the printer. Maybe that was an issue. You can, oh no, it's there, it's just faint. Really, really faint. Okay, let's keep going. Paper feed. Okay, you can see the numbers. I mean, there's got to be some way to re-ink these things. I'm going to turn it off and open this thing up. And there we are. Yeah, if anyone knows, maybe leave a comment, but there's probably a way to put ink on the wheel here so it prints a little bit stronger, unless there's a oh, what's this? Hang on a second before I zap myself or do something. Let's close this up. Come on. There. Okay, we'll turn print off. I'll unplug. Okay, it could be that this area here has an ink pad replacement. So we'll open this up. Okay. And yeah, there it is. Okay, so this slides out. It's a little ink rolly. So that looks like it hits the numbers down there, you see? And it picks up the ink. So you just buy replacements, which probably still are available for this thing. Or maybe there's a way to re-ink it. And we'll put it back in here. Like, not like that, like this. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this one works. Okay, next we have another one made by Aurex. Now I haven't heard of this one. It looks like its printing mechanism here is not looking very good. Like, besides the fact that I see nothing there to print. I mean, where's the little roller with the numbers? I mean, let's try it out. Okay. No ground, just a double, and it's on. Okay. Is there any switch on this thing? No on, oh, off, on. Soft switch, okay. So again, plus. Okay, a bunch of different buttons here. Print and no print. Here's print. I see. Okay, so this uses a different principle, whereas the other one used one huge wheel with numbers. This moves along. See? Okay. Now there's no holder, at least not in this box, unless it fell out. Nope, I don't think that's it. I don't see it. Let's try something. I'm going to remove the paper from the other printer and see if I can feed it in here somehow. I guess it goes in this way. Where's the paper feed? Okay, this is a little difficult. Let's try again. Okay, there. Not going in, okay. Come on. Possibly one of the reasons this thing was dumped. It's not feeding in. At least I can't figure out how to get it through here unless, okay, maybe I got it, I have to go here. Okay, let's try this. Come on. Oh, okay, I think I caught something here. I'm getting all tangled. Okay, there. Okay, let's keep going. I'm surprised there's no paper feed. Is it this one? Oh, here, I found it. It's that button here. But it is not moving, and I don't see anything printing there either. So yeah, I'm gonna give up on this one. Not a bad looking calculator, but without the print function, probably not worth keeping. And it's by some brand I don't even know. So yeah, not really too excited about it. Let's unplug that one off. Okay, finally, one more in here. This funny looking thing. Now, it has an input here. It looks like it takes batteries as well. Let's see if there's anything in here. 4 AA's. And there should have been a plug. Panasonic. Nope, that's Casio. Philips. Okay. I don't think I have the plug for this thing, but it takes 6 volts. And the port on this is 12 volts. What's this? 22 AC. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to show you how this works, but yeah, it's another Casio printing calculator. It opens up here. It has that same mechanism, you see, where it they've now changed it so that it rolls across and then comes back rather than the old stuff. So there you have it, 3 vintage calculators. I'm not sure what use these are. Probably going to end up back in the dumpster. But if you have any use for these, or you're still using them in your business, let us know and leave it in the comments. Thanks again. Bye for now.